Hello guys. If your Lenovo docking station is showing a blinking orange and white light, it usually means there is a connection or power related issue that needs attention. You may notice that your devices are not connecting properly, displays are not working, or the dock is not behaving normally. These lights are not random, they indicate that the docking station is trying to communicate but something is not stable yet. This can happen due to loose cables, incorrect power supply, or compatibility issues with the laptop. Sometimes even a simple restart can fix the problem, but it is important to follow the correct steps to identify the exact cause. Instead of guessing, checking everything step by step will help you solve it quickly. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Lenovo docking station blinking orange and white light. Try these. 1. Check the power adapter of the Lenovo docking station and ensure it is properly connected. 2. Reconnect the cable between the Lenovo docking station and your laptop securely. 3. Restart the Lenovo docking station by unplugging it and plugging it back in. 4. Restart the laptop connected to the Lenovo docking station. 5. Clean the ports of the Lenovo docking station to remove dust or debris. 6. Turn on the Lenovo docking station again and check if the lights become normal.